Let's talk about the different types of clips we carry at Big Star Lights. There's one for every application, and it's important to know when to use which. We'll start off with our most popular clip, which we call the multi-clip. This is available in black or white, and it has nylon inside, which makes it really UV resistant. In fact, I can take this and I can't even break it, and I can twist it around and it still stays nice and soft, even when it's exposed to the UV. How this clip attaches is onto the wire. I'm going to place it at about a 45-degree angle so that the wire sits in the wire seat. And then I'm going to just push this up so it makes contact with the socket. This is really important because even if it's a small distance away, the bulb could point in a random direction. So we need to push this all the way up, make contact, and then this will be able to attach on the front of a gutter like this. There's two orientations on it as well. If I want to put it onto a shingle, I will put it onto this wire seat. Again, slide it up so it makes contact with the socket, and I can push it under onto here. And again, it's going to keep the bulb pointing nice and straight. Notice how the bulbs are pointing outward instead of upward. That's really important so that water won't sit inside the socket. The other advantage to this clip is that sometimes the shingles will lift on you and cause a really big gap underneath it, which could make it so that the clip doesn't hold as well. So to prevent the clip from falling out, we can actually fold this in half and then push it under the shingle. And it behaves like a barb holding the light onto the shingle nicely. And there's a bit more pressure on there this time. So that's our multi-clip. Again, this is our most popular clip. Another clip we offer is this one, and it sits over top of the bulb, and you can basically just push it through like so. And this one has only one orientation, which is for gutters, and it will have the bulb pointing outward like so. Another style of clip is called the cradle clip. Snaps on like this, and it can be placed onto the gutter like this. The next clip is the gutter guard clip. This one is interesting because sometimes we end up with situations where there's a gutter guard inside the gutter, which will prevent the multi-clips from working as well. So we created a version that has two little legs that fit inside the mesh or little holes, as in this case. There's lots of different types of gutter guards out there, but we made one that works for most types. Okay, so I've got the gutter guard onto the bulb. I put the legs inside the hole, and all I do is snap this over the front edge of the gutter, and it will hold the bulb pointing out like this. And it's extremely secure. This isn't going to come off at all. This is available in black or white. Next set of clips are ones with magnets on the bottom. There are actually two magnetic clips at Big Star Lights. We have this smaller one, which will fit onto the bottom of the socket right here, and it'll attach onto the front edge of a drip cap. Drip caps are typically magnetic. Okay, so that's one option there. These magnets are nickel coated. They're triple nickel coated, so that prevents them from corroding or causing rust marks on the building. There's another option, a roof cap clip. Okay, now how this works is it sits on the top surface. So I'll put this bulb on. There's two wire seats to secure the wire as well. And this has about 50% more magnetic surface area, so it holds quite a bit stronger. It also holds on the top surface, which makes it more secure than from the front surface. And this is our strongest magnetic clip yet, and the bulb's pointing downward at a slight about 20-degree angle because that's the typical angle that most people will observe the lights from. This clip also works for both E17 and for E12 base sockets. One advantage with this clip too is if you do get a really significant snow load, it's designed so that most of the weight will sit over top of the clip instead of over top of the bulb. And so that will actually prevent it from tipping over. Whereas this clip if you get a big snow load, it could potentially peel away. So it depends on what type of conditions you expect. The next clip is the adhesive clips. We've got two different kinds. We have this one, which is a little bit smaller, and it's got two orientations on it. You can put it in this orientation, or you can put it in this orientation and affix it with 3M VHB tape on the bottom. The VHB tape is extremely strong, and it'll actually pull the paint off if it's not adhering to the surface very well. So definitely test a small surface first to make sure you don't have any issues later. You can also heat the tape up with a heat gun, and it will release a bit better by doing so. The surface needs to be clean, so make sure that you've wiped it down. We do have another adhesive clip, which we call the extra hold one, a little bit thicker tape, and about 50% more surface area on this one. So it will hold extra strong. This one's available in white or black. Another clip that we carry is similar to the adhesive clip, only this one comes with a stainless steel screw. And so you can just fasten it to any wood surface and screw it in. And again, this one's going to have two different orientations available to you for the wire. You can either have it at 90 degrees, or you can have it pointing straight out from the clip like this. These are great for, windows, things like that. Obviously with the screw, you're probably more inclined to leave this clip attached permanently year round. Same with the adhesive ones, because you won't be able to re-stick these. People will tend to leave these on year round. That's what they're designed for. If you do decide to pull them off, they're not going to stick for you again, and you'll have to throw them away and replace them for next year. Every once in a while, we come up with a situation where none of these clips will work for us. And our most versatile clip is the spring clip, which has a stainless steel spring on the inside, and it attaches onto the socket like so. And we can actually control the orientation on it like this. Places I find I can use these are around windowsills or garage doors, places I don't want to put screws in the wall or adhesive. Sometimes we want to attach the lights to the ridges of the buildings, get that nice gingerbread look. So the roof ridges and shoulders of a roof, you can use this clip, which we call the ridge clip. And the way it works is you just put it into the top like this, and this will actually sit over top of the shingle. And with a bit of tension, it will actually hold in place. All right, we have a cable clip that's used for hanging the patio lights. How this works is you can hook it onto your E26 socket like this. And then if you're running a cable across your patio or across a street or sidewalk, you can hang it on the cable like this, and it snaps on to a 1/8 inch cable. And now you can pull it along here like a clothesline. So it makes installing the lights very, very simple. Another option is, instead of using the E26 socket, it also works with the SPT2 cable. So here I've got a G50 bulb, and I'm going to snap it on to here, hold it up here nice and close to the socket, and now I can run my cable across here. So as you can see, we have all different kinds of clip options, one for every application. So if you ever come up with a situation that you're uncertain about how to actually attach your Christmas lights, take a look at these options. And if you're still uncertain, you can reach out to us and we can find a solution for you.